Just wanted to do a quick little update. Let me turn that light off. Anyway, as you can see, I finally got it going good. Nice little flame. And I found the chemical to use. Mr. Kerosene! For camping, lamps, camping stoves. It's not so combustible. The other one, the shellite, was extremely combustible. It was too potent. But that's the way it should be running. And it's looking pretty good. I'm very happy with that. And I don't mind the kerosene smell. So thank God, I just saved myself about 50 bucks. I'll have to give that all a good wash and a clean and pack it in my camping gear, but thank God.